let them attempt to do something to damage our assets, and the reaction from our armed forces will be very different. So these are the words of our former Chief of Defense Staff Bipin Rawat. Whole world is shocked by his sad demise and other brave hearts. So we at CT Academy paying tribute to our Honorable Chief of Defense Staff Bipin Rawat. Namaste, guys. So today there will be no The Hindu session. We will see the legacy of Bipin Rawat and what were his roles in making India a better military prepared nation, and what are the Chief of Defense Staff and what are their functions as well. So this is Bipin Rawat, our Chief of Defense Staff, first CDS of India, and we can see here a soldier never dies. A well said quote: "Soldier never dies." The first CDS in the history of India, and India will remember him forever, and his contribution will never go in vain. So someone has commented, we lost a 4-star general, a brigadier, a wing commander, a lieutenant colonel, and 5 special forces guys in a single accident. Some tragic incident. I remember that in 25 years of my age, I haven't heard or haven't seen such a terrible accident that I have heard yesterday. इससे पहले 99 कारगिल वॉर एंड 2001 parliament attack, but at that time I was not mature enough to comment on those things or to understand these incidences. After that 2008 terrorist attack on the Mumbai and other terrorist attack happened in India, and that incident, the biggest shocker that I have ever seen in my life, is the loss of Bipin Rawat. So condolences are coming from all over the world. Like Israel Defense Forces has said that we extend our deepest condolences to the people of India following today's tragic helicopter crash. Sir J. Sai Deepak has also commented that may the Devtas give Bharat the strength to deal with this loss and the determination to deal with enemies, both internal as well as external. The internal enemy, which General Bipin Rawat has also talked about in his statement, like India has to prepare for 2.5 front war. So this 0.5 was nothing but internal enemies. And may the fallen Veer Atmas attain Sadgati. Om Shanti. So it was not only a loss, but a strategic loss, as we have lost some of our special forces paramilitary commandos as well. And you can see the tweet of Anand Ranganathan. Like he said, on June 4, 2015, the NSCN Khaplang terrorist killed 18 of our Jawans. Just 5 days later, a man planned, steered, and executed a surgical strike deep across the Myanmar border. 102 terrorists were neutralized, and we suffered 0 casualties. 0. That man was nothing but our General Bipin Rawat, and he has lost his life. And the lone survivor of the tragic accident is Group Captain Varun Singh. Let's pray for his speedy recovery. He is currently under the medical surveillance. So let's pray for his speedy recovery. Hope he will be soon fit and fine. So 1 year back, not 1 year, around 2 years back, in January 2020, Taiwan military chief of staff and 7 others also killed in helicopter crash. And just days back, our chief of defense staff has stated that China is the biggest security threat to India. And after days, something happened, like something like this happened. So maybe a conspiracy theory. It will be under the correct. It will not be correct to say that conspiracy theory. अभी जांच का विषय है, जांच होगा उसके बाद पता चलेगा. So जांच के बाद ही कुछ कह पाएंगे इसमें. So we need to see the legacy of Bipin Rawat, what Bipin Rawat was, what Bipin Rawat is, and what Bipin Rawat will be in our legacy. So he was the 37th Vice Chief of the Army Staff, 27th Army Chief, and first Chief of Defense Staff in India's history. He also gave the concept, as we have seen, that 2.5 front war, one front with Pakistan, one front with China, and 0.5. He was talking about the internal enemies that India have, that who lives in India, but a threat to India's unity and diversity. and integrity of India. His unit was, he proudly say, his unit was 5 by 11 Gorkha Rifles. He belonged to Gorkha Rifles. Gorkha, the most prestigious regiment in India's defense field. We can also see the awards that he has been conferred with. He was conferred with Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Uttam Yuddh Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Yuddh Seva Medal, Sena Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal. You can see all those medals hanging on his chest. So now coming on to the important discussion with regard to the examination point of view, we will see the history of the post of Chief of Defense Staff. So back in 1982, in unofficial terms, not officially, General K.V. Krishna Rao, then General, he has advanced the creation of post of CDS in June 1982, but it was not an official. Officially, it was only following the Kargil Review Committee that formed in 1999, after the Kargil War, to look after what are the reasons for the Kargil and what we can learn from the Kargil War. So that committee, the Kargil Review Committee, that recommended in 1999, and following that, the group of minister officially proposed the creation of the post of CDS in 2001. So उसके बाद 2001 में जो है ऑफिशियली प्रपोज किया गया कि क्रिएशन होना चाहिए चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ की पोस्ट का, और उसके बाद जो है चीजें और थोड़े ठंडे बस्ते में चली गई, और उसके बाद बहुत सारी कमिटीज आई, फॉलोइंग कमिटीज, जैसे लाइक नरेश चंद्र टास्क फोर्स वाज फॉर्म्ड इन 2012, एंड द लेटेस्ट वन इज लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल DB Shekatkar Committee. Very important committee, you can remember this name, that was formed in 2016. This committee also proposed their own versions of the Chief of Defense Staff, like how Chief of Defense Staff should govern all the three different forces of India, like Army, Air Force and the Navy. So in 2017, Cabinet Committee on Security started the process of making the final decision related to the creation of the post of Chief of Defense Staff. So 2017, the Cabinet Committee on Security started some process, some progress was made in creation of the post of Chief of Defense Staff. Like we will see who is CDS. CDS होता कौन है? तो CDS जो है, it is a 4-star officer. Earlier we used to see the Field Marshal. Field Marshal was a 5-star officer, but he was not an official in Army. So we will see a Field Marshal also, but Chief of Defense Staff is a 4-star officer, the senior most and the highest ranked uniformed officer on active duty. He is on active duty in the Indian military and is the principal staff officer and chief military advisor to the Minister of Defense. मतलब वो Ministry of Defense के भी जो है chief military advisor थे. So अभी उनके कार्यकाल का 1 साल बचा हुआ था. तो and currently India doesn't have, I don't think anyone is capable of filling that post right now. In coming 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, we will see another person who is wearing the hat of CDS, but for them, till then, we will see that he was a military advisor also to the Ministry of Defense. The CDS also heads the Department of Military Affairs, the newly created Department of Military Affairs under the Minister of Defense. उसके भी सेक्रेटरी, एज अ सेक्रेटरी वो काम कर रहे थे, चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ. ये अभी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मिलिट्री अफेयर जो है नया ही डिपार्टमेंट बनाया गया था. और जो CDS होता है वो किस किस कमिटी का या काउंसिल का जो है मेंबर होता है, तो चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस, चीफ ऑफ स्टाफ कमेटी के मेंबर होते हैं, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल, डिफेंस एग्जीक्यूशन काउंसिल. सो ये सिर्फ जो है डिफेंस के लिए क्या क्या, किन किन हथियारों का एक्विजिशन होना चाहिए, क्या क्या हार्डवेयर, क्या क्या चाहिए, उसकी भी कमिटी काउंसिल के मेंबर होते हैं चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ. सो इनका भी बहुत बड़ा रोल है एक्विजिशन के मामले में भी. सो डिफेंस प्लानिंग कमेटी, प्लानिंग के मामले में भी, और न्यूक्लियर कमांड अथॉरिटी, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, न्यूक्लियर कमांड अथॉरिटी के भी मेंबर थे ये चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ. So we will see what is dual-headed role. The दो रोल कैसे निभा रहे थे चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ. सो डुअल हेडेड रोल का मतलब क्या होता है? डुअल हेडेड रोल रेफर्स टू द 2 hats द CDS wears. एक तो वो as a permanent chairman of the chief of staff committee, as we know that which has 3 services chief as its member, कि तीनों का चीफ सर्विसेज के चीफ होंगे, और जो है CDS उसके परमानेंट चेयरमैन होंगे उस कमेटी के. एंड द अदर एज द, वी हैव सीन दैट न्यूली क्रिएटेड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द मिलिट्री अफेयर, उसके एज अ सेक्रेटरी भी कर रहे थे. तो डुअल हेडेड रोल था इनका. तो जो फॉर्मर वन था, फॉर्मर वन इज अ मिलिट्री रोल as we know, and while the latter one is a role in the government, it's the administrative role. So it is as the head of DMA, Department of Military Affairs, that his major responsibilities within the ministry will be discharged. So there's a tragic loss that India has suffered. So we will see now what is the functions as CDS. So चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ जो है क्रिटिकल पोजीशन है आज के समय में इन टुडेज एरा, लाइक व्हेन इट कम्स टू हाइब्रिड वॉरफेयर, एंड विल हेल्प इंक्रीज कोऑर्डिनेशन, ट्राई सर्विस इफेक्टिवनेस एंड इंटीग्रेट overall combat capabilities of Indian armed forces. So Bipin Rawat has also focused on the theaterization of the Indian military. So what is theater command? Theater command means the all the three wings of the military, army, air force, and navy comes under one head. In like country will be divided into separate theaters, several theater, like Western theater, Eastern theater, Southern theater, and all the resources under all the three wings will be governed by a single person. So in order to better make a better function of the military as well. So इनका काम ये था ट्राई सर्विसेज को इफेक्टिवनेस करना और ओवरऑल कॉम्बैट कैपेबिलिटीज को जो है बढ़ाना, इंटीग्रेट करना. और द डिफेंस सेक्रेटरी जो होते हैं वो सिविल सर्वेंट होते हैं, रिमेन एज द मेन डिफेंस एडवाइजर, व्हाइल द सीडीएस हैज बीन सैंक्शनड द रोल ऑफ बीइंग द मेन मिलिट्री एडवाइजर, एक्टिंग एज अ सिंगल पॉइंट मिलिट्री एडवाइजर टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ डिफेंस मिनिस्टर. So that was his role as a chief of defense staff. सो चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ की जब बात हुई तो एक फील्ड मार्शल भी अगर देखें हम, तो फील्ड मार्शल भी एक पोस्ट होती थी पहले, अभी तो नहीं दी जाती है किसी को फील्ड मार्शल की उपाधि. फील्ड मार्शल होता क्या है, abbreviated as FM, ये 5-star जनरल रैंक होता है. Chief of Defense Staff, we have seen that it is a 4-star general officer rank, but Field Marshal is a 5-star general officer rank and the highest attainable rank in Indian Army, highest rank है. तो Field Marshal जो है वो रैंक इमीडिएटली अबव जनरल. तो पहले ये हुआ करता था बिफोर सीडीएस, बट नॉट एक्सरसाइज, रेगुलर नहीं होता था. लाइक इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट एवरी army general who is retired will get a tag of field marshal. No, that was given to some extraordinary persons. Like in entire history of Indian independence, it has been awarded only twice. Only 2 लोगों को ही दिया गया है. पहले थे our Sam Manekshaw, we know his role in 1971 war as a general. So following that his role after his retirement as a general, in January 1973 the President of India conferred him the rank of field marshal to him. So field marshal की एक और important बात ये होती है कि field marshal जो है वो कभी retire नहीं होते हैं. They remain the field marshal for lifelong. But somehow Sam Manekshaw got retired from this post as due to health issues. So KM Cariappa. So KM Cariappa was our second field marshal. So he was conferred the rank of field marshal in January 1986, 14th January 1986. So 14th January is Makar Sankranti day. On this day only the third battle of Panipat was also fought. So you can see that also. So KM Cariappa was our second field marshal, and no other person in the army has been awarded with the rank of field marshal, but one person has been awarded as a marshal of the air marshal as in the air force. He was Arjun Singh. So in January 2002, the government of India announced that the rank of marshal of the Indian Air Force was to be conferred on Air Chief Marshal Arjun Singh, DFC, with effect from 26 January 2002, in the recognition of the most valuable services to the Air Force and the nation. So Arjun Singh was a very important person, as he has been in the army before been the part of the Indian Air Force before independence also, and he continued to serve in the Air Force. So to honor his contribution, he was given the rank of Marshal of Indian Air Force in January 2002, and he has died recently. So the rank जो है, it is the highest, as we know, highest in the Indian Air Force, and it is equivalent to the Field Marshal and is held for life. As we know that Field Marshal or Marshal never retire. It is held for life. The President of India, then KR Narayanan, conferred the 5-star rank on Marshal to the Indian Air Force, Arjun Singh, and handed the Marshal's baton in a ceremony at the Rashtrapati Bhavan on 23rd April 2002. So here he is, the Marshal of Indian Air Force, Arjun Singh, in his Marshal's uniform. He is the Marshal. He has also died recently. So another loss for India. And in the end we can just pray for those who have died. May God, ईश्वर जो है उनको सदगति प्रदान करें। और जो हमारे लोन सर्वाइवर हैं, ग्रुप कैप्टन वरुण सिंह, we should pray for him for his speedy recovery. So we will start our daily The Hindu analysis from tomorrow. Today is a rest for you all. Okay, so namaste.